how does the roll up occur?
Yeah, so look, I've been buying and selling companies for 20 odd years now. And like I say, done hundreds of transactions. And when I first started, I was doing, no money down small businesses. Then I did distressed deals. Then I moved into more solvent deals. And then I started doing stuff in the capital markets space. But I learned so many lessons and so many techniques along the way. It's a shame to let it all kind of rot. And I used to have a lot of people asking me to come and do consulting work for them or come and be a non-exec. And I couldn't think of anything worse. Couldn't figure out why on earth I would want to do that. And then I ended up buying a training company that sold these kind of, business seminar type things. And I actually disagreed fundamentally with the business model. It's this kind of teach them a little bit and then constantly upsell. But I liked the idea for solving this problem of what do I do with this old information, which is still very useful, but not what I'm doing today. And also, how do I create a community that then could potentially drive deals to me? And so back in 2008-9, I created a group called the Harbour Club, which is a global network of small to medium business owners and entrepreneurs generally, who go through a 3-day program and live events and a few other things to learn how to do what it is that I've done over my career, all of the tactics and the strategies and the deal structure